Hey guys, Jeff Dissett here at the SEMA show. I'm with Tim from Garrett Advancing Motion. He's going to tell us more about Garrett's new line of Powermax turbos. What's up with these things?
So Powermax is a line of intercoolers and turbos that we designed to fit into the stock locations.
So not just turbos and intercoolers.
Correct, yeah, intercoolers that are larger than the stock units and also not wider, but they fit into the stock location. So you can unbolt whatever you need to unbolt, pop in the intercooler and have better performance.
We're going from a regular turbo and upgrading to yours for more power.
Yeah, so you're taking the stock turbocharger, which are usually relatively small or they have limitations on their flow, and then you're getting a Garrett, genuine Garrett turbocharger with an upgraded compressor wheel, but everything else looks the same. So it fits in the stock locations with all the stock hardware, all the stock hoses, clamps, and all of that stuff is reusable for these products.
I love it. It's a one-stop shop. Does everything come in the package?
It does, yes. So everything from the, some of them have the new bolts for the map sensors or on the intercoolers, but then the turbos have some hoses and lines, and they come with the lines and the clamps for the lines. So yeah, everything you need. And then what you don't get in the box is what you reuse.
So this is all for OEM stuff. What if I've got a car that doesn't have a turbo on it?
So if you have a car that doesn't have a turbo, you'll probably need to look at our line of upgraded products like GTX or G-Series turbos, and then work with a company that makes manifolds to be able to put that product on something.
So it doesn't matter whether your car has a turbo now and you want to upgrade it, or if your car doesn't and you just want to add one, Garrett Advancing Motion's got you covered.
We've got everything covered, yeah. The turbo, we look at it as a universal piece. It is rated by displacement and by horsepower. So if you have an engine that's anywhere from 1 liter to 12 liter, and you want to make anywhere from 100 horsepower to 3,000, we've got a product that'll fit in there.
I love it. Can you tell us a little bit about, I heard rumblings about an e-turbo. I know they're from Formula One and whatnot. E-turbos on the streets, is this true?
I mean, yeah, so eventually these will get out into the public starting in about 2021. Cool thing is they take the boost response from, let's say, roughly 4 seconds down to 1 second. So you're able to have a lot better boost response at low RPMs, and it just overall maximizes efficiency out of the turbo.
And it's amazing coming from Formula One trickling down in 2021 that an idiot like me can put an e-turbo on a car.
Yeah, it'll be available first in OEM applications, and then hopefully in the years to come, we'll see it in racing and performance.
That is amazing. Anything else coming out you want to tell us about?
We do have, besides from the 2-liter EcoBoost and the 3.5 EcoBoost Powermax products, we also do the drop-in intercooler for the 1.5 Civic and the intercooler for the M3, M4 BMWs.
Where do our friends at home go to find out more about Garrett Advancing Motion?
You can go to www.garrettmotion.com or any of our Facebook or Instagram pages, and that's Garrett Motion.
Check them out on the World Wide Web or on social media. We're here at Garrett Advancing Motion, the SEMA show, Power Automedia. Stay tuned.